Let's be honest, women don't just not notice you. You disgust them. You beg for attention, you tolerate being ignored, and you are scared to say no. You are as comfortable as old furniture, and women don't sleep with furniture. While you are trying to be a people pleaser, other men are taking the women of your dreams. I know this because I was that pathetic, nice guy. I was their free therapist, hoping they would love me for it. I was safe and I was boring. Everything changed only when I stopped trying to please everyone. Your kindness is actually fear. Stop it. Here are 5 rules to grow a spine. Rule number 5 is critical. It is the exact reason you are still sleeping alone. Without it, you will remain a 0 forever. Rule 1. Stop seeking approval. You look at her like a puppy. Did I do good? Do you like it? Stop! When you ask for permission for every action, you are handing your balls to her in her purse. A woman wants to see a leader who makes decisions. Make mistakes, but do it with confidence. Don't ask, where do you want to go? Say, we are going here. Stop for a second. 99% of men are average. We are building the top 1% of winners here. If you refuse to be mediocre, subscribe right now. Join the strongest. Rule 2. Be willing to disagree. Do you nod your head even when she is talking nonsense? Are you afraid of conflict? This is the death of attraction. If you don't have your own opinion, you aren't a person. You are a decoration. Women test you. They provoke you on purpose to see if you have a backbone. Say no if you disagree. Your no is worth more than a fake yes. Rule 3. Scarcity of attention. You are available 24/7. You are always online. You are a cheap resource. Gold is expensive because it is rare. Air is free because it is everywhere. You have become air. Get a life. Don't reply instantly if you are busy. Your attention is a reward that must be earned, not a gift lying on the ground. Rule 4. Mission over woman. Your main mistake is making her the center of your universe. It is repulsive. A woman wants to be the companion of a hero going to war, not a babysitter for a boy who stares at her mouth. Your work, your sport, your business, that is number 1. If you are ready to drop your business just to meet her, you have already lost. Rule 5. Willingness to walk away. Here is the secret that changes everything. Why do you tolerate disrespect? Why do you chase those who don't care about you? Because you are terrified of losing her. The nice guy tolerates everything just to avoid being alone. A man has a rule. If you don't respect me, there is the door. This is not a bluff. You must be ready to stand up and leave at any moment if your boundaries are crossed. Strength isn't about keeping a woman. Strength is knowing you can live without her. That is exactly what makes you a magnet. You choose. Be a convenient poodle or a man who commands respect. If you are ready to take back your dignity, comment, "I'm ready" below. Subscribe. We learn to respect ourselves here.